Maybe most people all over the world are looking for very fast way to make money online. Clicking is also one of the most popular ways to make money online. There are many sites in the world that you can earn money by clicking on banners. In today's video, I want to introduce you to one of the best online monetization sites. I name this site Goldmine because you can easily earn $20, $50 and above. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The site I want to introduce to you today is called FaucetPay.io. The main task of this site is the immediate payment of digital currencies, which it receives from thousands of websites and transfers it to your personal wallet at a very low cost. But as you can see here, this site is also an earn money platform that many people do not pay attention to. You can easily earn free money online with digital currencies. This site supports almost all major digital currencies. As I said before, you can earn good money from this site every day. You can also increase your income by inviting your friends and family. But to start working with this site, first click on the sign up option and register, which is very simple. After entering the site dashboard, you can see the different digital currencies that you receive in this section after you earn money on different sites. It supports almost all major digital currencies. Click on the deposit to get the wallet address. But you can see there is no wallet address from some digital currencies like Ethereum. To do this, click on the linked address option and enter your wallet address. But as we said, one of the most important parts of this site is making money online. Click here to earn money online. You can see faucet lists, Offerwall, surveys, pay to click. But the most important part is the faucet list. As you can see, there are many sites where you can making money online very easily. Many of these sites have immediate payment to your wallet. But one important point that you should never forget: you cannot make a lot of money just by completing tasks and even filling out survey forms. And to earn more money online from these sites, you should introduce your referral links to your friend. When you click on the affiliate option, you can see your referral link. My suggestion is that you can use social media such as Instagram and Facebook to introduce. You can also go to the online earning section by clicking on banners, which is very simple and earn money daily. But many people, after earning money, go to the ads section of this site and advertise their referral links. You can also advertise on this site to receive referrals. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.